Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, we did our cucumbers this year in soil blocks, and these are ready to transplant here. Now, we grow our cucumbers in hanging baskets in the greenhouse. And if you want to learn more about soil blocking, I do have a video on my channel for how we do soil blocking. This is the first year that we have ever used soil blocking, and we will be continuing to use the soil blocks here. So this basket here is I believe it's a 12-inch basket. And you can see this one here, it does have the water reservoir disc in it to help protect your plants from rotting from the excess water. So we're going to get this one filled up here. And what you want to do, hold on a minute here. Wait a minute. There, now it's centered. What you want to do is you want to leave about an inch space from the top of your hanging basket or any container that you are planting in, so that when you water your stuff, the water doesn't spill out all over the top of your container and make a mess all over the place, and you can actually water your plants properly. And we're using potting soil. I believe it's Aquaponics by Scott's potting soil. This was something new that I tried out this year. It was the cheapest stuff that I could find, and so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing from it. So and then this one here will get 3 plants put in. It'll get one here, and then one over here. So because it's a larger basket, we'll be able to put 3 plants in this one here. So I brought my cucumber plants out here. We're just going to do one, 2, these soil blocks are so much nicer than trying to get these things out of the plastic trays. 3. There you go. And we'll just get this watered then. It's going to go in the greenhouse. Drilled holes in the bottom of this. This is a 10-inch hanging basket. And we're going to put 2 cucumber plants in. We have these right here already filled up with our soil here. Okay, so we're just getting these gently watered here with the shower, and then they're going to go into the greenhouse. You want to water these till water runs out the bottom. You want to make sure that you get out all the air pockets, and by watering them, that will help to get out the air pockets. So I had already snapped the hangers on them. And these are the tender green burpless cucumbers. They are an heirloom. We have been growing them for years, and they're part of my heirloom seed saving project that I'm working on. So we're going to be collecting seeds from these this year. So we're going to finish getting these watered, and then we're going to take them into the greenhouse. And you can see here, our fence is already up in the greenhouse. So we're growing vertically, and we're also growing in our raised beds. And we have the baskets hanging up on the rail back here. And then as these grow, we put them up onto the fence so that they can climb. It makes it a lot nicer for harvesting, and we have all of our stuff growing underneath. So by the time that these down here get tall, these aren't going to be in here anymore. So there's one more to hang up. And you can see we have our lettuce and some onions growing back there. But we've been growing cucumbers like this for years now. We used to let them trail down, and last year we put a fence up, and it really was a lot nicer for harvesting. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more video updates and I'll show them to you. I hope that you found this video helpful. I do have videos on my channel for how to start cucumbers from seed. And you do have to train these a little bit as they're growing for them to actually get their tendrils wrapped around the fence. But it's not too hard to do. You just have to monitor them and keep making sure that you're letting them know that they are supposed to be going towards the fence and climbing the fence. You do want to make sure that you're keeping your hanging baskets moist but not soggy as these are growing. You do want to watch out for powdery mildew, because that can attack your cucumbers. And you always want to feed your hanging baskets at half the strength plant food than what's recommended. And you never want to feed a dry plant. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.